Hi, I'm Casey Campbell, and I'm going to give you my presentation. So, my favorite sport would be football, as you can tell. I have grown up watching football with my dad and my brothers since I've been, a little kid. Me and my dad would go every Friday to his alma mater high school and just watch Friday night football. My biggest accomplishments in life would be graduating high school. From St. Cloud High School, I graduated in the class of 2020, and then getting accepted to Oklahoma State University was my second biggest accomplishment in life for the fall of 2020. What I hope to learn in this class is I really hope to continue learning about time management and just being better at keeping up with my schoolwork and not procrastinating as much as I usually do, especially with online classes. And I also hope to start to learn more about myself, like we discussed in the first Zoom call, and just getting to know me, myself, and I. And lastly, something I would like my professor to know is what just makes me happy in life, and that would be my friends and my family. In the top left-hand corner, that's me and my dad. And then to the right of him, that is my brother and his daughter, Cambry. Below them, that'd be me and my best friend, Taylor. She's probably right now my only friend that I hang out with. To the left of her would be my sister-in-law, Jessica, and my niece, Oakley. Below that is me and my mom. And then to the right of that is my brother, Cody.